Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial by Aidan's Cuts. Today I'll be doing a short video on how to do a burst taper. Obviously, before we always start the fade, we do our scissor work and our graduation on the sides, and then we go straight into our number 2 guard to flick the weight out, and then into our 1.5. When we have removed all the bulk from the sides of the head, we're going to go in with our skin trimmers in a semicircle pattern from the below the vertical bar to behind the ear, making sure we remove all that hair with our foil shaver. Now that we've done all our prep work, it's time to start our fade. We're going to go in with our 0.5 all the way open in that same silhouette, and then with our number 1 guard all the way open, going above what we just did. Once we've done our 1 open, we're going to close the number 1, flicking out that little line. Now with our 0.5 guard, we are going to use this guard a little bit different. We're just going to remove and flick weight wherever we can see. And then we're going to close the clipper all the way, just flicking out that bottom line. If there is any unbalanced weight that you do notice, make sure we go back in with our clippers and just go over everything. When the fade is complete, we're just going to line up everything, making sure everything's super crispy and makes the fade really stand out. Remember to always take your time and perfect your lineups. Another optional step I like to add to my haircuts is using enhancements. Enhancements are very controversial. Some barbers think that you shouldn't use them, but I personally like them because it makes my customer feel that much special when he's in the chair. Something as small as using a little bit of a white enhancement really makes the fade stand out that much more, and that is what the customer notices. Finally, to finish the haircut off, we're going to hit it with some talcum powder and then razor everything and put some products in the hair. Another important factor about your services is clients do notice if you style their hair and take the time out of your day to teach them how to style their own hair. So when they're on the streets, their hairstyle is looking ultimately perfect. And that is what's going to bring in new clientele. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. If there is anything you do want to see in the future, please let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe. We're almost at 500 and I really do appreciate it. Thank you.